The CDS, Chief of Defence Staff, General Anil Chauhan concluded a successful visit to Australia from March 4 to 7. The visit underscored the growing engagement between the two nations under the Comprehensive Strategic Partnership, emphasizing shared commitment towards regional security and military collaboration. The deliberations focused on strengthening military cooperation, with key emphasis on maritime security in the Indo-Pacific region, joint exercises, capacity building, defense technology exchange, and new bilateral defense initiatives. During his visit, General Chauhan was accorded a ceremonial guard of honor and traditional welcome upon his arrival at the Russell offices of the Australian Defence Force, where he held high-level discussions with Admiral David Johnston, Australia's Chief of Defence Force, and with the Chiefs of Staff Committee. The CDS also visited Headquarters Joint Operations Command, gaining insights into Australia's operational command structure and exploring avenues for enhanced joint operations. In alignment with India's commitment to professional military training and education, General Chauhan visited the Australian Defence College, where he held discussions of enhancing professional military education with Rear Admiral James Librand, Commandant of the ADC. The CDS addressed senior officers undergoing the Defense and Strategic Studies course on strategic challenges in the Indo-Pacific region and interacted with Indian student officers undergoing training at the ADC, acknowledging their role in fostering bilateral military understanding and professional exchanges.